Hey ma'am, I am Julius Ribagibitin. Today I'll be showing you the external autonomy of chicken. The external part of a female chicken. Let's start the let's start first on its head. First, the first is the comb, the eye, and the beak. The wings, also the tail, the flank, and the thigh. And also the shank and the toe and the claw. Hackles and the breast. Good day, ma'am. I will present the anatomy of this duck. The part of this duck, this is the eye, the ear, the nostril, the bill, the breast, the shank, the foot, the wings, the tail, the coverts, the crow, throat. Using the eyeball estimated method, the estimated kilogram of this pig, it's either 45 or 50 kilogram.
Computation for pig. Formula. HG 50 divided by 400.
Given. Length 105 centimeters or 41. Heart grid 94 centimeters or 37. Solution 37 times 41.33 divided 400 equals 56,580.7 divided 400 equals 141.5 divided to 0.2. kg equals 64.
Computation for cattle. Formula. HGX 50, 10,840. Given HG equals 185 centimeters. L equals 195 centimeters. Solution 185 times 195 divided by 10,840 equals 6,673,875 divided by 10,840 equals 615.
Using the eyeball estimated of this carabao, estimated weight is 50 100 to 20 kilograms.